If your weed whacker starts smoking, the first thing you should do is diagnose the issue. Weed eaters can produce smoke that varies in color. So the question you're probably wondering is, why is your weed eater smoking? Some of the most common reasons can be attributed to exhaust buildup issues, improper fuel mixtures, and faulty mechanical components. The color of the smoke that's coming from these machines may hold the key clue as to what's going on. We'll also give detailed instructions on what other problems it could be. Link our website in the description below. You'll know exactly what's happening when your weed eater starts smoking, as well as how to fix it. Number 1. Black smoke. When you see black smoke coming out of your weed eater, this is usually attributed to several different issues. One of the reasons that you may find black smoke coming out of your weed eater is that the gas inside is old. It's oftentimes recommended that you don't leave old gasoline inside your fuel tank for more than 30 days. The longer this fuel is inside of your tank, the more it can corrode and clog up your engine. Another reason why you would see black smoke coming from your weed eater is due to the choke still being on. In some cases, this may be due to the residue buildup inside the motor. It's important that you properly clean this area to improve the air circulation so that fuel can burn throughout the motor. Also, a blocked air filter may also be one of the most common reasons you find black smoke. Filtering the air before it enters the engine will help get rid of all the particles that may end up running their way through the carburetor. Number 2. Blue smoke. When you add way too much oil to your gasoline mixture, the result when running the trimmer may be blue smoke coming from the motor. If you would have continued running the weed eater with too much oil, it would have led to a damaged engine. It's important that once you see the blue smoke coming out of the exhaust, or oil dripping from the exhaust, you should turn off the weed eater immediately. Number 3. White or gray smoke. White smoke can be very serious. White smoke usually comes from when the engine is running way too hot. It could be due to several reasons, like poor lubrication, not enough oil mixture in the gas, or maybe even too much ethanol added to the fuel. Visit our website to get detailed instructions on what to do and what you should look out for when you see smoke coming from your weed whacker. Just Google search Family Guide Central. If you enjoyed the video, why not subscribe and smashing that like button so that it more people. Thank you so much for your support. See you again next time.